Hi there again, it's Scott Handy with Mr. Water Professional Water Treatment in Hagerstown, Maryland. What you're looking at in this short video is a city water softener. It's a city water softener with a 20-inch carbon filter. The carbon filter is up here on the ceiling. We had limited space to install this system. As you can see, we've got all the plumbing in here. So I've got the carbon filter hanging from the rafters there, which makes it easy to change. And then we have a 32,000 grain electronic demand water softener. This system is made of high quality components. I'm going to see if I can get around here and show you another angle. This customer was complaining about a lot of chlorine in the water, was also complaining about the hardness of the water on the shower doors. So this system is going to do a really good job of improving the water quality here. They're going to be really happy with the outcome. They've been waiting for this for about a year, been saving up for it, waiting for their tax return money to come back. So anyhow, in this short video you get a good idea. This is the standard water softener I install. So if you decide to get a water softener for municipal water, this is going to be the system that I would install for you. I'm currently charging $2,850 and comes with a 1-year warranty. We're in Brunswick, Maryland, which is just south part of Frederick County in Maryland. So today is Saturday, March 31st, 2018. And this system took me about 6 or 7 hours to put in. So there you have it, water softener with a carbon filter for city water. I'll see you in the next video.